Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana. This is a new feature available in the Google Gemini to create AI images. So basically, first of all, of course, we need to search for Gemini and open gemini.google.com website. Basically, this is simply a Gemini itself, and to use here Nano Banana, we can just simply click here, try image editing right here, or if you do not see this title, you can always go to the tools right here and choose create images. And now we can start describing our image. So for example, I want to create a banana in the middle of the field. So something like that. The more you describe your image, the more precise it will be. So for example, I can add here some rabbit or fox. With fox next to it, the foxtail is red. So for something like that, and then just simply click enter and it will generate your image in just a few seconds. As you can see it now generating, and you need to wait a little bit. Now our image is generated, and as you can see, yes, it is not perfect because I just clicked on it. It is not perfect because we can see some strange on the top of the banana, and the foxtail is not red, but you can always just simply set it as a bad response and describe it in the other way. So for example, banana in the meadow in clouds. So something like that. I want it to be in the clouds, in the meadow, in the sunny meadow. You can describe it a little bit more. And now, as you can see, it is generating the image, and we will see what we will get. So now it shows us, yeah, it is what I wanted. So you can just simply go and click on this image and click on the download button in the top right corner, and it will download the image to your computer as well. And basically that is it. That is how we can use Nano Banana in Google Gemini. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.